Hey, this is Jeff with JTscarpetCleaning.net. Today we're in Joplin picking up our new machine, a ColdJet 40. We're going to be offering dry ice blasting to our customers for retail, for mold, for restoration companies, fire, plants that have printing presses, for grease, paint, anything that's on the machinery we can blast off safely. We're using ColdJet products, top of the line worldwide company. So give us a call, 913-221-2653. Hi, this is Jeff Ring, JTscarpetCleaning.net. Today, me and my son Kyle are going to plant the freezer. We're using dry ice pellets blasting to remove compacted ice off the concrete floor. We're having problems with our forklift trying to get around with the pallets stacked on top of the lift. We're sliding and people can't walk. The only method to get this off the floor in a freezer, which can't be thawed, you can't use chemical or chip it, dry ice blasting. So we're going to have quite a few pictures and some videos, so check us out.